How to buy and send Bitcoin on Cashapp. So Cashapp isn't just a simple place to buy and hold crypto. It also functions as a fully operational crypto wallet. That means you can purchase Bitcoin and instantly send it out of your Cashapp to an external hardware wallet, an exchange, or a friend. And I'll show you the exact sequence to buy and send your Bitcoin seamlessly. So first, open Cashapp and verify you have a funded debit card or cash balance. Tap the Bitcoin tab at the bottom of your screen, which looks like a bold B symbol or an investing trend line. Then you tap the blue buy button, also green. Choose a preset dollar amount, or just click three dots and type in a custom value and then click next. In the blue buy button, if you haven't completed identity verification, you'll be prompted to enter your legal name and the last 4 digits of your SSN. Review the final order summary screen, verify Cashapp's transaction fee, and scan your Face ID or enter your PIN. The Bitcoin will land in your app balance immediately. Now that you own Bitcoin, you can send it out. So on that same Bitcoin dashboard screen, you can just look for the send button. It looks like a small paper airplane or an arrow pointing up and right. Tap it, select whether you want to type the amount in raw Bitcoin units or standard US dollars, and then send. And your transfer is now processing through the network, and you can just track its clearance directly inside your activity tab. See you in the next one, guys. Thank you for watching.